Welcome to another exciting unboxing video with Mystic. Today I'm going to look at the 2024 Underground Railroad portfolio. Here's the paper showing what's included. Here's the accordion booklet. It has a historical timeline, images, and a map of popular routes on the Underground Railroad. The reverse side includes vintage photographs of each person pictured on the stamps, plus a brief biography telling about their lives and notable accomplishments. Now it's time for the stamps themselves. You get 2 sheets of mint stamps plus progressive proof sheets showcasing the printing process. Here's the headline at the top of the sheet. Now the border around the stamps. Parts of the stamps printed in cyan. Parts printed in magenta. Parts printed in yellow, and parts printed in black. Finally, we have a description of the art print of Lamont Sandridge's Freedom Land and the art print itself. That's everything in the 2024 Underground Railroad portfolio. I'll include a link with more information in the description box below. Until next time, happy collecting!